on Fusion Army. I am here, and I'm doing the world tournament, and if I die, I die. Tell me guys, who is doing the world tournament right now? I'm really not gonna do the world tournament for one main reason. Because of it, look at what people are using. Look at how strong they are. They have Gogeta, they have Super Saiyan 3 Goku. They have all these things. Yeah, look at me. Look at my team. I can't show you, but my team is not good. It's not fit for the world tournament. And the only reason I'm doing, oh crap. Okay. I should plan this strategically. Do that. Good. Do that. Damn it! This is stupid. Hopefully I don't die. Because I've already died a couple times. Like one time. Okay. Why are so many people playing the world tournament? Back when I had Gogeta, when I had Cell, when I had all these amazing characters, nobody played. Tell me why everybody's playing now. Like seriously, I don't get it. Why are people playing now? Yeah. Like you don't even have to play the world tournament anymore. After a while, they're just gonna give out Elder Pies like candy. Seriously. They won't give a crap. They won't. I'm trying to figure out something else to say instead of a bad word. That's seriously what I'm trying to do. Like I'm trying to do a plan. Oh my god, I was about to die. Look at my health right now. Holy crap. Wait. Sorry about that. My little brother was actually, oh crap. My little brother was singing. Yes, my little brother was singing was something like that. I'm gonna do this strategically. Do that. The world tournament is way too hard now. Like, are you serious? Back when I had Gogeta, nobody played that much. I was gonna try and get 80 wins, and I could get like a free SSR ticket. But then I figured, you know what, it's gonna be way too hard, so why even try? No, seriously, it's hard now. Like, for the people who actually play, they'll calm down and actually during the world tournament, they'll understand. I've played like a lot, and I've gone through maybe billions of all the world tournaments. They'll understand. Like seriously, why did everybody start playing now? And out of all the years, it had to be this, like, right now. If I had Gogeta, oh my god, it just crashed. So you know what? If it crashed, no, seriously, I'm tapping it and it's doing nothing. Seriously, crashed. So I think this is a definition that that I should stop my video. So out of all the times, that had to be right now. So I guess bye, guys. I'm not that sure. Is it gonna work? I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Yeah, it doesn't work. Plus, this video is getting a lot longer than I expected. So, bye guys.